Hi everyone, let's see how you can get back the missing enhancement step in sound properties in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. Simply right click on the Start menu Windows icon and go to Device Manager. From here, expand the sound, video and game controllers. You'll get the Realtek audio option. Simply right click over it and click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers and then click here. From here, select the high definition audio device and then click on Next. Click on Yes. And that's it. The job is done. Now close everything. Search for sound settings and open it. Then scroll down and go to More Sound Settings. Then go to the properties of your speaker or headphone. And that's it. You'll see the enhancements tab now. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you found the content helpful and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.